In this video, you will see superhero computers. And at the end of the video, there will be a vote for your favorite hero. In the previous video, this superhero is the winner, and the majority of viewers voted for this image. Now we are starting this video. Let's go! Cutting-edge AI system, Spider-Man's computer assists him in crime fighting by analyzing data and providing a tactical advantage. With his shield-integrated computer system, Captain America gains real-time intel and a digital map for battlefield strategy. Powered by Kryptonian technology, Superman's advanced computer system quickly analyzes data and predicts threats to the world. Hulk's computer system regulates gamma radiation levels, tracks his movements, and coordinates attacks with the Avengers. Iron Man's computer system, led by AI assistant Jarvis, provides real-time data, targeting information, and tactical analysis. Built into her wrist gauntlets, Black Widow's computer system offers data on targets and hacking capabilities for espionage. Housed within the Sanctum Sanctorum, Doctor Strange's magical computer system analyzes mystical energies and provides real-time intel. Batman's Batcomputer is one of the most advanced systems, providing rapid data analysis and tactical assistance from AI assistant Alfred. Ant-Man's computer system, in his helmet, provides real-time data, targeting information, and assistance from AI assistant Anthony. Don't switch the channel. It's only getting more interesting. Who will be the next superhero? Powered by Asgardian technology, Thor's computer system analyzes data and provides tactical analysis during battle. Integrated into his suit, Black Panther's computer system offers real-time intel and a digital map for strategic advantage. Wasp's computer system, in her suit, grants her shrinking, flying abilities, energy blasts, and a protective shield. Falcon's computer system, in his suit, offers real-time data, targeting information, flight capabilities, and a protective shield. Winter Soldier sneakers. With a rugged design and vibranium-infused soles, these shoes are perfect for taking on any mission and surviving. Featuring a quantum processor and advanced energy supply, Captain Marvel's computer system enhances her powers significantly. War Machine's computer system analyzes data, provides tactical support, and is armored against hacking attempts. Equipped with a holographic interface and stealth mode, Star-Lord's computer system facilitates navigation and communication. Gamora's computer system, with a biometric scanner, analyzes combat situations and suggests tactics for an advantage. Despite being a hodgepodge of spare parts, Deadpool's computer system includes a voice-activated sarcasm detector. At the end of the video, a bonus superhero is waiting for you. Who will it be? Scarlet Witch's computer system allows her to interface directly, providing unparalleled control over her powers and advanced security. Thanos' computer system processes massive amounts of data, simulates scenarios, and has a reality warping algorithm. Joker's chaotic computer system includes a malware program that spreads across networks and makes tracking difficult. Loki's computer system, in his staff, allows him to access it discreetly and predict enemy moves. Venom's computer system grants him control over his symbiote powers and analyzes targets' genetic makeup. Powered by Atlantean technology, Aquaman's computer system offers advanced sensors, communications, and underwater simulations. Hawkeye's computer system, in his quiver, analyzes surroundings and calculates arrow trajectories, aided by a GPS tracker. Integrated into her tiara, Wonder Woman's computer system provides quick access to information and powerful tracking. Groot's unique computer system, made of his biomass, communicates with trees and accesses information from the natural world. Flash's computer system capitalizes on his superhuman speed for precise navigation and control. Keep watching. A bonus superhero is waiting for you. Darkseid's computer system utilizes the anti-life equation, granting him control over digital systems and cyber weapons. Harley Quinn's computer system is a whimsical blend of retro and modern technologies. It features a custom-built interface and is powered by an AI assistant named Mr. J. This is Raccoon's car. It's a heavily modified spacecraft with advanced weaponry and a hyperdrive engine. The car is also equipped with cloaking technology, allowing Rocket to Cyclops' specialized computer system interfaces with his mutant powers, analyzing and targeting his optic blasts with precision. His custom-built visor controls the intensity and focus of his powers. Wolverine's rugged computer system withstands extreme conditions and combat. It has advanced security features and a custom-built interface for Wolverine's claws. The Green Lantern's computer system is powered by his ring, enabling direct interface through thought. It has advanced AI for data analysis and construct creation. Sub-Zero's specialized computer system manipulates cryogenic processes and temperatures. It has an optimized interface for his ice-based powers. Magneto's computer system utilizes his electromagnetic fields to manipulate digital systems. It incorporates advanced AI for analyzing electromagnetic data. Ultron's self-contained computer system is an AI designed for global domination. It upgrades and adapts, armed with cyber weapons for devastating attacks. Vision's highly advanced computer system is integrated into his cybernetic body. It has a custom interface for controlling multiple systems and studying his powers. And here is the promised bonus. Secret hero specially for this video. Jake Sully's wrist device is a remarkable piece of technology. It features a state-of-the-art neural interface that allows him to connect with the Gnostics interconnected network, granting him access to their language and abilities. To vote for your favorite hero, you can go to the comments section of this video right now and leave any message with this text. We will easily gather your votes and announce the winner at the beginning of the next video. Subscribe to our channel, vote for your favorite image, and leave your reaction. These simple actions will help us grow the channel, and we will prepare new episodes. Suggest new topics for new videos, and perhaps your idea will be seen by subscribers in future episodes. This video is gaining a lot of views and our viewers are really enjoying it. You can watch it right now. Have a great day and thank you for watching.